Hey, I'm Susan Berkley. This week we're going to talk on the Inside Voiceover Video Training blog about how to practice your voiceover. You got to do it. I mean, come on. If you were learning an instrument, you don't just wake up one morning and know how to play the guitar. Well, voiceover isn't that difficult, but practicing will really, really help you improve. So I've got some best practices about practicing this week. 5 ways to do it great. Number 1, you should be consistent. Figure out an amount of time you can practice every day, even if it's only 15 minutes a day, but do it consistently every single day. And here's a tip: tie your practice into something you already do, like brushing your teeth. So before you go to bed at night, you probably have a little ritual that you do. I know I do. And right before you get into that ritual, spend 10-15 minutes practicing voiceover. Just turn off the television, for God's sake, and put some time into doing something that's really going to pay off for you. Number 3, the best way to practice is the method known as tape and ape. And that means you're going to listen to voiceovers that other people are doing that have been paid for and repeat, try to imitate what they're doing. Transcribe the script, sit with it, listen to the voice talent that was paid for the job, imitate them word for word, record yourself, and compare the recording of your voice to the recording of the professional voice talent. That is absolutely the best way to practice, so you're not doing it in a vacuum. The other thing I want you to do, which is number 4, is carpool karaoke. Now, have you seen this? This is a very cool show on Netflix where the host of the show gets in the car with famous musicians and sings along with them. Well, if you put commercials on in your car radio, when it's to turn off Sirius, find a nice station with lots of commercials and talk along with the commercials, try to imitate them. That's wonderful. A great way to get you going and to help you practice. And then finally, keep a written practice log. So keep track of how many minutes a day that you're practicing. Set a goal, and at the end of the week, see if you met that goal or not. These are all tips for you. I hope they help. I'm Susan Berkley, and back next week with more Inside Voiceover.